Good morning, happy homeowners. Over here at this cute original house in Riverside, California. Brian Adams here with Only Wood Floors. Well, this is probably built in the early 40s, but the original half-inch thick, 2-inch wide white oak. And you can see where the tongue and groove come together. Here's the nail. And this is where the tongue and groove used to be. But with the vibration, and here's another nail sitting up, we're gonna have to set that. But that's what all these little spots are, where the wood is missing. You can see them here. We're gonna have to, that's because the wood has been sanded so many times, where it's broken off. You can see this is starting to break off, and this area is bad because it's the heavy traffic area. So you're just constantly walking on it, and it's moving up and down. So we're going to try to tighten up some of these loose boards, and we're going to fill these areas in and stain this. See how that moves? So we're going to stain it and save it. It's not going to be brand new perfect. Used to be some furniture here, you can see that. So that'll kind of come out, most of it. But it will be 1,000% better. We're going to save in this original floor and bring it back to life. Do like a little semi-gloss, give it a little bit of a sheen.